I chose my career tech major because I have an interest in going into the biomedical field. Engineering Technologies and Design offers certifications and experience in AutoCAD 2D drawing, Inventor, which is a 3D modeling program. They also offer Skills USA, which I'm a part of as the Skills USA Ohio North Central Regional President.
So some of the stuff that my career tech major offers students is, first, it introduces them to industry standard software. We have robotics competitions they can compete in, and then also some mini design projects. Students can do both summer internships or early placement during their senior year. So we offer both a drafting and a manufacturing CT2 credit. They can also potentially earn Project Lead the Way credit.
Right now we're doing Revit, which allows you to build your own house or building through all of its layers, from electrical to plumbing to just interior decorating.
The best thing for me is that through the hands-on projects, through the computer applications and working with other students, I get to see them grow and develop and get a head start on a lot of other students that are then going into either entry-level engineering positions or at the college level. After graduation, my students can take a lot of different pathways. The first that most students do is they attend either a 2-year or a 4-year college. Then I have a group of students that start as either entry-level draftsmen, or they start apprenticeships at local manufacturing companies.
For me, the people, that's the best part about it, because not only do you get to be yourself around them, you get to know them as a person rather than just as another student, which is something I absolutely love.